Hi everyone, Mrs. Hedeen here. Today we're going to talk about supporting details when thinking about the main topic of an informational text. We think to ourselves, why are these supporting details important? Does this detail match the main topic? Can I explain how it connects to the main topic? And does it help me understand what I'm reading? So today I want to teach you that looking closely at those supporting details will help you understand what it is you're reading, especially in informational text. We're going to go ahead and use this book again on dragonflies. And this is basically going to tell us all the different things you can see in the table of contents right here. Another thing that we know are usually in informational text tells us the different parts of the book. And you can see that we're going to learn about how young dragonflies look, that they have some super sight. We're going to learn about how they fly, how they hunt, what they eat for dinner, or maybe what eats them for dinner, and what they look like around the world. As we read, we're going to have you go ahead and complete a worksheet that looks like this. Basically, we're going to put the main idea or the main topic here at the bottom, and then we're going to create in the bubbles, we're going to write sentences to support the main idea with details from what we read. So we are learning all about dragonflies. So our main topic is about dragonflies. So we're going to go back in the text and we're going to think and see if we can find our first detail that tells us about dragonflies. If you don't have this worksheet, or if you're unable to print it off of the lesson, no worries. Go ahead and just get a piece of paper and you can just write like we have here at the bottom, main idea, and then you can just draw lines with the bubbles around them for the details. So if you're able to print this out, it's okay. If not, don't worry too much about it as long as you get the information down. So let's go ahead and take a look inside of our book. This book, I'm going to read quite a bit of it today, and I'm going to ask you to stop after we do our example throughout the book. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like when we look for those supporting details for our main topic. Amazing dragonflies. Bzzt. You're walking by a pond when something zooms past your head. It's bigger than a bumblebee. It's faster than a butterfly. It's an amazing dragonfly. So I'm going to stop a second and think, this does have some information in it, but I'm not sure if it really tells me much about dragonflies, so I'm going to keep reading. So let's go ahead and continue reading, see if we can find some supporting details. What are dragonflies? Dragonflies are flying insects with long bodies and two pairs of wings. They come in every color of the rainbow. Some dragonflies have colorful stripes. Some even change color over time. I am going to stop there. I think that I'm going to go ahead and write in my worksheet, dragonflies are flying insects. I think that's super important detail to help support what a dragonfly is. And we can look at the picture below, and we know that insects have 6 legs. In this case, it says it's a flying insect that actually has 2 pairs of wings, which is super interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my worksheet that dragonflies are flying insects as my first supporting detail for our main topic. So here's my worksheet, and as you can see under detail 1, I put that dragonflies are flying insects. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and continue reading our book, and I'm going to ask you to stop once in a while to think all about dragonflies. What other supporting details can you come up with to support this main topic? I'm going to go ahead and continue reading. Young dragonflies. Dragonflies need water during every stage of their life cycle. Adults lay their eggs in water or on plants near water. The young dragonflies live in water for 1 or more years after they hatch. Don't forget to use your pictures to help you understand. It starts to say down here that some dragonflies lay their eggs in rotting wood underwater. Some dragonflies can lay hundreds of eggs at a time. And that's what this picture over here is. Young dragonflies look very different from adult dragonflies. They have gills inside their bodies which allow them to breathe under the water. Dull green or brown coloring helps them hide from fish, frogs, and other hungry animals. So go ahead and pause, and I want you to think about one detail from either this page or this page that you feel support your main topic of all about dragonflies. As dragonflies grow, their skin doesn't grow with them. Instead, young dragonflies shed, which means to take off, their entire outer layer every time they need to grow. When a young dragonfly is ready to become an adult, it crawls out of the water, the last layer of skin splits open, and the adult dragonfly climbs out. Adult dragonflies have the largest eyes of any kind of insect. Each eye is made up of about 30,000 tiny pieces. They can see almost anything in all directions at once. Dragonflies' super eyesight help them catch prey. And I forgot to read the title, and it says super sight. So it tells us a little bit about what we're looking at. And this is a really close-up picture of their eyes, and you can see that they kind of go in all directions. It means they can look everywhere at once. Amazing flight. Dragonflies can speed up faster than the world's fastest race cars. Dragonflies are among the world's fastest flying insects. Large dragonflies reach speeds greater than 22 miles per hour. Unlike most flying insects, dragonflies control each wing on its own. This skill lets them swoop and dive like fighter jets. They fly forward, backward, and even upside down. So go ahead and hit pause again, and I want you to think about, you can go back in the video to either this page and think about something that might be important on there or here, and you can think about what detail on here about how they fly might be important for your chart. One last section, amazing hunters. Adult dragonflies are high-speed flying hunters. They surprise mosquitoes and all other small insects by attacking from behind and below. They kill their prey with a fast, powerful bite. Dragonflies often eat their prey without bothering to land. All right, friends, I think that's enough of this book for you to have enough information to find 3 additional supporting details for your worksheet. Remember, you're going to come over to your worksheet and pause at different spots in this video and think about, you can even look in the text again and you can listen to it again. Think about the different details that support the main topic, which is all about dragonflies. Don't forget to put your name and the title of the book at the top of this page. And again, if you don't have this worksheet, it's okay. Just use a blank piece of paper. I've already done the main topic and the first detail for you. You're going back and you're going to look for those other 3 supporting details. So my friends, today and every day, I want you to remember when reading informational text, I want you to think what the main topic is and then think about the details in the book and how those details are connected back to the main topic. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.